Hello guys, today we have Xiaomi Redmi 9A not working. Customer has bring the device not working, no life at all. I'm going pressing the power button with no luck. I'm going to put the charger on to see if we got any sign of life, but seems we don't have anything. The customer told us that the device stopped working suddenly. I somehow confused whatever is causing to this device. I thought it's stuck at something, so I'm going to press the power button and the volume down button until we see something on the screen, and then we can cancel the download mode. Volume down with the power button, enter the download mode. As I'm pressing, if the device is working and stuck, this should work and the device should working again, but seems we have a different issue. I'm still pressing, seems if there is any hope. I also press the power button with the volume up button if I missed the buttons, but also no luck. I'm going to try using the cable on and also to enter the download mode, but seems the issue is different and this is not causing the device to be shut down. I pressed the both method, the power button, the volume down button, and the power button with the volume up button to see if we missed the buttons, but it's not. The phone is not turning on. I'm going to look at the screen if we can see any scratch or any broken or any hit to the phone, but seems the phone is new and there is nothing seems to be happened to this device. Before we open the device, we must check some things before we can open it. I'm looking at the charging port and I'm going to clean it. Maybe there is some corrosion on it, prevent the phone from charge if the phone battery is 0. So this could be our problem and could be not. Also the charger is on, but there is nothing on the phone. I'm also put my hands on the phone to make sure the phone is not heating, so we don't have a serious problem with the phone. Remember to put your hands over the phone to check if there is some heating. Also, don't forget to try another charger because our charger could be not working or damaged during whatever happens to this device. Alright, no luck. I'm going to remove the SIM card tray, then I'm going to detach the frame from the housing to open this model. We don't have a fingerprint flex cable at the back, so no cautions needed. I'm going to open this device with patience because this device is new and the customer bought this device from me, so I'm going to open it without making any sign of opening, because if I didn't get any luck and if we got a serious problem, I can send this device to the company. I'm very accurate to open this device without making any chaos. We have here the adhesive around the cameras. I'm going to remove this without any much chaos. Also, I'm going to return it back as it was. I told you we have to be precise and accurate. We have a sticker from MI on this point. The screw, I'm going to remove it and put it in safe place because we are going to put it back. This is a sign if we open the device before. Sometimes they got the screwdriver and put it there and remove the screw, so the sticker will be broken or cut. So this is somehow smart to do this job for the customer, because we are not going to send the phone to the company, and this could take long time, about 7 days, 1 week. We can remove all the screws, remove the top shield. Alright, unplug the battery, plug it in, and then try to power on or put the charger on. Also, we didn't get any luck. Unplug the battery, bring your multimeter and see the voltage of the battery. Alright, the problem has been known. We have a drop. The voltage of the battery is 2.7 volts, and this is too low. The phone can't charge with this voltage, so we have to raise it. To raise the battery voltage, we need a charger with 5 volts and cut the wires, put the negative to the negative and positive to the positive with the multimeter, and then you put the positive to the battery and the negative to the battery. Remember, don't mix the terminals, otherwise you could explode the battery. So read where is the positive and where is the negative, and then we will raise the battery to 3.5 volts. Once we are ready, we will test and see if the phone will start charging or not. I have a clue that our problem has been ended now, and this should solve our problem with my experience. We don't know what caused the phone or the battery to be dropped to 2.7, but maybe this is a circuit from the electricity making the charger to make something to the phone and let the phone not charging. I have put the charger on, but we don't have anything. Why? This is very disappointed. Let's put another charger to make sure the charger is working. Yes. We got also a bad charger. With the new charger, the phone starts charging. So we now have concluded that a bad charger causing the phone to get in circuit and let the battery drain to 2.7 volts, and that what was causing the problem. Anyway, we will let the customer replace their charger and the phone is back again. That was for today. If you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.